Have you ever wanted to make plum jam? I do each year. You start out with some fresh fruit, about 3.5 pounds worth. Cut it up, taking out the seeds. Put it in a pot, then get ready to pulverize it. Use the pulse function. Measure out 8 cups of sugar and 5.5 cups of fruit. Add in half a cup of lemon juice, concentrated or fresh. This helps hold the color. Stir in a package of pectin, dissolving it completely. Now over high heat, bring the mixture to a boil and get ready to add the sugar. Once the mixture is boiling, set your timer for 4 minutes. Add the sugar and stir it in, dissolving it completely. Now get your jars and lids. They've been sterilizing in a big pot of water. Line them up and get ready to fill them. Fill each jar within 1/8 inch of the top. Add the lids and the rings. Screw the rings down tightly and set your timer for 10 minutes. The jars go back in the boiling water for final processing. This helps the jars to seal.